guys, so it's 5:30 a.m. right now. The plan is right now we're gonna drive into the city and hopefully not with the cops, because I genuinely don't want to piss them off. This car gets loud when it's in the city, and then we're gonna take the freeway to get there, loop around the city probably, and come back here. We need to pull a U-turn here. It's a bit wet right now, so I don't want to floor it too much. In the city, I'm definitely not going to be able to hold myself back, if I'm being honest. Oh my God. Usually I downshift, but I didn't want to go too high in the RPM since it's so wet right now still. My Lord, man. I love driving in the mornings, man. Like, especially earlier than this, because right now there's quite a bit of cars, especially going south right now. But it's just, there's like no cars on the road, and it feels so nice, man. Like, this and listening to some throwback music hits different. I think there's a Mustang behind me, actually. Okay, this guy's braking with nothing in front of him, by the way. That makes no sense. Yeah, that is definitely a Mustang behind me. Well, it's a GT350. Holy shit. I scraped going onto this bridge? Like, genuinely, I don't know. Turn around. Well, that parking garage is sick for photos. Like, I don't know how you get in there, but like there's graffiti all along the bottom floor, and the lighting would be insane to get some photos there. Is it open or is it private? Dude, it does look like a private garage, I'm not gonna hold you. Man. thing that's nice about living on the coast is you're constantly just surrounded by a nice view, especially because we have so many hills and mountains here. The only thing that sucks is the car scene is not as big as in Texas or Arizona. What do y'all think? Can we go in Sport Plus yet? Mess around a little. It's a little bit dry. We just can't like wide open throttle it. My entire power, basically. Y'all see it. I see it. I know y'all see it. Oh my God. Yo, that might be one of my favorite tunnels. I know the camera's not doing that one justice either. That wasn't even in high RPM range either. Like, oh, I need to hit that on a dry road, man. I need to hit that on a dry road. We gotta watch out because there's crosswalks. I don't want to miss any people and not be able to hit them. When people drive Ford Explorers, man. It genuinely pisses me off. Open road in front of me, but behind me is like genuinely the start of traffic. There's so many cars lined up. It's actually insane. Like, you can still get around everything if you use all the lanes, but people shit on automatic owners for not having a manual. Me personally, I understand if you need to get a reliable automatic over a like a shitty manual like the Mustang. However, if I ever catch you using automatic windshield wipers, that's all game. I don't care how heavy the rain is. You better be using the manual ones 24/7. I'm gonna end the video here right after this this next tunnel pool. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoy the POV videos, let me know so I can continue to make them. I mean, there's a second bridge, we gotta hit that too. This one's pretty small. All right, I'll see you guys later. Toodles, bye.